Hello everyone, my name is Bagus setyawan from Management. I will present English for General Purpose, Module 9. And I will presenting the topic below. 1. What is Industry 5.0? 2. Essential facts about Industry 5.0. 3. Industry 5.0 is aimed at supporting, not superseding humans. 4. The progress of Industry 5.0 is unavoidable. 5. Can you give the example of this 5.0 industry? To grasp the full pictures of Industry 5.0 and its implication of must first understand how the initiative is defined. 1. What is Industry 5.0? The term Industry 5.0 refers to people working alongside robots and smart machines. It's about robots helping humans work better and faster by leveraging advanced technologies like the Internet of Things and big data. It adds a personal human touch to the Industry 5.0 pillar of automation and efficiency. In manufacturing environments, robots have historically performed dangerous, monotonous, or physically demanding work, such as welding and painting in car factories and loading and unloading heavy materials in warehouses. As machines in the workplace get smarter and more connected, Industry 5.0 is aimed at merging thus cognitive computing capabilities with human intelligence and resourcefulness in collaborative operation. The Danish company Universal Robots stocks its claim is our first provider of industrial robots that work softly and effectively alongside humans. And since the use cases of Industry 5.0 are still in their relative infancy, manufacturers should be actively stargazing why to integrate human and machine work in order to maximize the unique benefit that can be reaped as the market continues to evolve. 2. Essential facts about Industry 5.0. To be prepared for Industry 5.0 and its impact, there are 3 key elements of the initiative that you must understand. 3. Industry 5.0 is aimed at supporting, not superseding humans. Don't mistake the outsource in robotics as an opportunity to eliminate headcount and leverage workers who perform repetitive tasks on assembly lines. Manufacturers who understand the value of human intuition and problem-solving capabilities are positioning themselves to thrive. People often think of manufacturing work as actually a poor substitute for a robot. Susan Halper and economic at Case Western Reserve University told the New York Times. But in practice, these things are really difficult, and the assembly line work is making judges a lot, and it's thrown out that when you take that person away, you end up with some problems that are hard to solve. Even Tesla CEO Elon Musk admitted that extensive automation at his company was a mistake, tweeting that humans are underrated. Industry 5.0 will make the factory a place where creative people can come and work to create a more personalized and human experience for workers and their customers, said Esben Ostergaard, Universal Robot Chief Technology Officer and CEO founder, in an article published on Enterprise LLT in 6. 5. The progress of Industry 5.0 is unavoidable. Once you use technology to make a process more efficient, there's no point in revolting to the old way of doing things. It's why we use computer with word processing software instead of tap water. Similarly, Industry 5.0 is the manufacturing world event horizon. Given the efficiency that can be gained, very well past the point of going back. While Industry 5.0 headway can be solid, there are still essential questions and ramifications that must be addressed by manufacturers and policy makers. Extensive automation, for instance, is an issue about which the authors of a research paper recently published in Amicus have experts' concerns, and their apprehension appear to mirror the attitude shift of innovators like Moss, whose once aggressive approaches to automation have since toned down. Engineering with this and the many other challenges and opportunities Industry 5.0 invariably brings will require planning and preparation commensurate with its manufacturers. Needs and expected outcomes. It is not a question of whether manufacturers can benefit from its personnel working alongside robots, but how they can best leverage new technologies to drive optimal outcomes from human or machine interaction. 5. Example of this 5.0 industry. In Industry 5.0, people no longer need to bother doing something that is considering difficult. For example, currently shipping goods can take days, not to mention technological problems that make the delivery process takes longer. Industry 5.0 tries to make something more modern by using drones as human aids, supporting by LOT, robots, and artificial intelligence. Drones can speed up the delivery of goods, so that the time required is also shorter and, of course, minimize technological obstacles. Furthermore, in the health sector, AI technology allow us to know our family health information. That's why we don't have to worry when our family has problem with our health. Because with the help of AI and artificial intelligence, we can provide information about heart rate and pressures. Industry 5.0 will be very useful in smart homes. If very making we need an alarm, but AI can determine whether we really wake up or not. Also, when our house is being left away, AI can create security system such as CCTV, but in a more modern aspect, so that the house can be safer to live in. Then in the field of transportation, AI can allow public transport to access long distance routes and not have to spend a lot of money on hiring a drive. AI can detect whether the drive is sleepy or not in good condition so as to reduce the risk of accidents. Thank you for this presentation. Thank you for this presentation.